Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so I'm doing a slime video with AJ, HQ, and a Pikachu. So we're gonna see, well, I don't know, so I'm just gonna go on ahead and get this done and just oh boy, I have some of them already got stuck in the slime. They touched it already. Okay, so we're gonna do the challenge with the little ones first. Okay, getting all the little ones. Uh-oh. I have so many tiny ones. Oop. I'll be right back. I dropped one. Got it. I'm back. Okay, guys. So I got all of them, all the little ones. Hold up, I gotta face this back up again. Okay, I got all the little ones. Now, what we're gonna do is hide these, and I'm gonna get my brother to come find them. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna hide this. I'm gonna do this 5 at a time. Actually, I'm gonna put them all in, but first I'm gonna count how many I have. So we're gonna see how many he can find. Okay, so I have 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, guys, we have 17. So now we're gonna hide them in here and see how many he can find. Okay. Josiah! Come here, I want you to be in this video! Come here now, please. Okay, so we have 17 guys. Remember, he has to find as many as he can. Come here. Okay. No. Okay. So come, get him right here. Okay. So what we're gonna do? This is my brother right here. Duck down. You gotta duck down. What we're gonna do is a slime challenge. I put all my Animal Jam pets in here. There's 17. You have to see how many you can find, okay? So they're all in the slime. See how many you can find, okay? Okay, he'll be right back. He's taking off his shirt. Well, because he has 2 shirts on anyway, so. Oh, okay. So there are 17 Animal Jam pets in here. You have to see how many you can find, okay?
Me?
Yes, you, right here. We're all right here. So I wish you the luck. Good luck. Go. You gotta find as many as you can. Not like
one.
You gotta get all the slime off of it first. Or just set it right here once you find one here. I'll move Freddy over there. Yeah, just drop it right there. Look for more.
Another one.
Okay, just drop it right there. But make sure it's separated from the rest of the slime here. Ooh. Make sure you know, I'm gonna help too because I just want to. Okay, here's one right here. So we gotta work together. Okay, these are really sticky.
Oh, I found a few.
Okie dokie.
Found here.
Put them over here. Over here.
Found a few.
Okay, come over here. Oh, this is so sticky, guys. Oh,
Wait, is my Pikachu in there?
Nope.
I see something in yellow.
Yes, I have a lot of pets, just like some of them are yellow. Guys, he already found like 4 or 5 already. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3. Oops, dropped one.
I found one.
Okay, hand them all to me whenever you get one. Whatever you
I
get.
found two. It's about to fall.
I got one, and
Oh, I found 3. Wait.
okay, hand them. Put them in my hand.
And somebody's on my hand.
Okay. Ah! Yeah, I'll get the slime off these while you keep finding more.
I found a few.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like 2. Found 2.
I swear, boy. Really, guys. Just a heads up: if you ever able to make slime, you gotta be careful with this stuff because it is very sticky. Because you gotta knead it. I kneaded it.
His nickname is Comet.
Stop.
It's Funny Comet.
I kneaded
That's his
it
nickname.
already. So just keep looking.
That's my
time's gonna run out.
With this.
Oh no!
Look at
Just
this.
put them in my hand. I need them. I mean, I'm getting them. He
Got
guys,
another one.
he's on a roll.
Only one with you.
Roger that. This is like a slime challenge, guys. I do slime challenges. I do all types of challenges.
And wait, you did 0.
This is not gonna be my.
This is like your first one.
Don't listen to him. We've done actually a lot of videos.
And wait, you only did.
Remember on Sisters XOXO?
Oh yeah, guys! Don't forget to check out Sisters XOXOXO. And wait, we did 0 slime.
Yeah, but we did. Those were challenges.
Those
were challenges. Shh, shush.
Those times we did.
Shush. Just keep looking, because your time's gonna run out.
His name's Comet.
Your time's gonna run out, boy.
Heal.
Oh, I'm sorry. What? There's nothing in there.
No, heal. Wait, heal. Grab it.
I got it.
Don't get Comet wet.
His name is not Comet. It's
His
Freddy.
name is Comet.
Whatever. He has found so many guys, but is he gonna find 17 in total? Apparently,
Found
it's gonna
2.
be a yes.
Found 2.
Okie dokie, I'm working on it. Dude, give me some time. I'm not an extra, but I can.
Oh, I found 3. Yeah.
Ah! Continue searching if there's any more, probably.
Who's this?
Who
Hey, you got Comet. Dottie.
Guys, these are all the ones I still have to get needed, which means get all of it out of them.
No, I'm Pac-Man.
Shush.
Dang it.
I'm going ahead and count these right quick once I'm free.
So far, I have nothing.
Okay,
There's nothing even in here.
I'm checking. I'm gonna count it next because I know we had 17. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, there's only 14.
okay, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna count it now. You just continue looking.
Oh, I got one.
Okay, 1,
Got 2.
3.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Ah! That's only 1. Oh, 2.
2.
Yeah, I know.
Was this one?
You can't push the slime over here to the edge, though. Careful. Oh no, I dropped one of your ones that you found. Oh, you gotta find it again.
Oh my god.
If you think I'm coming back,
It's
don't hold your breath.
Right.
Yeah, don't hold your breath, man. Oh, guys,
so far. I found like a lot. Comet said that he's making a
Comet?
video.
guys. Okay, like this video if you like Comet, and comment this video.
Comet!
What's his name?
Comet!
Comet.
Comet!
Guys, like this video if you like this Comet, dude.
Comet!
AKA Freddy.
It's Comet. His name is Comet Freddy.
You know what? I don't care no more. I don't care about this Freddy. Dude.
I've got one!
Finally.
Oh, it's a bubble.
Can I wipe my hands off right here?
Dude, there's like no more.
Okay, let me count for real.
Oh, I got one. Wow, are you serious?
Sorry. Isn't this a dangerous shit?
Are you serious?
You ain't got nothing.
I can't find. Hey, you can't offer me.
I'm trying to get it off of you.
You got it on me right here.
Ah.
I guess.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Oh, lift your hand up. Oh my god, guys, that's his hand. Okay, go. Lift it up.
Hi guys, I'm Comet.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you found them all. Let me count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't count it because my hands. I need to like separate it. I can't really count it because they're all like mixed together, and it's kind of hard to count it when they're all mixed together. Ah!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I have to have 17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17.
Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, guys. We have just got them all, and now we have to clean our hands off. So, let's get to that. You don't know how to clean your hands up, do you?
Oh, Emily, I got a great idea.
Huh.
Sorry, audience, I can't tell you.
Yeah, guys. If we ever have an idea for a video, we can't tell you until we actually make it, though.
Yeah.
So, or we're gonna give shout-outs too, though.
But it would be rate this, comment down
Do it really
below.
fast, faster. Okay, stop. See? Guys, that's how you get some slime. Yeah, it's not.
I'm